Imagine finally hitting 1,000 subscribers, the big milestone that every creator dreams about. But then your next video got 27 views. No comments, no likes, nothing. That's the insidious dangers of sub for sub. These so-called shortcuts that are secretly killing your channel potentials. Before you fall for it, let me show you why sub for sub doesn't just fail, it destroys everything you're trying to build. I'm Nkechi and I help beginners kickstart their YouTube channel from scratch. Subscribe and grow with me. So if you're a small creator like me, still under 500 subs, and fighting to grow the right way, stay with me till the end of this video and you'll thank yourself later. So let me assume you just started a YouTube channel, you're posting videos, and growth feels almost impossible. And suddenly you came across this comments. Small YouTubers gather here. Let's grow together. Let's vibe together, sub for sub. Let's support each other. It feels like a perfect fix, right? You subscribe to them and they subscribe back to you. And boom, instant progress. But here's the truth. Sub for sub isn't growth. It's a fake growth. It plays on your emotions. That desperate need to hit 500 or even 1,000 subscribers milestone just to feel like you're moving forward. And trust me, I understand. I've been there too. Watching other small creators celebrate their milestones and thinking, maybe I should just do it too. But that quick high, it connects with a brutal crash. YouTube doesn't care about how many subscribers you have. It cares about who is watching. And when you get subscribers from sub for sub, they don't watch your videos. They don't comment. They don't engage. To YouTube, that looks like people subscribe, but nobody is watching this video. Maybe it's not interesting. Maybe this channel isn't interesting. And boom, your next video stopped getting recommended. So instead of helping you grow, your fake subscribers get your videos buried. It's like filling your audience with ghosts, people who exist on paper but do nothing for your channel. This leads to terrible click-through rate, low watch time, and YouTube slowly stop recommending your video completely. That's the moment your channel flatlines. Here's the real talk. You can't build a real community out of people who don't care about you. When your subscribers doesn't watch or comment, you lose the most powerful part of YouTube, which is connection. Sub for sub kills that connection before it even began. You can't tell who is genuinely interested in your video because your analytics are lying to you. And let's be honest, it's draining to see 1,000 subscribers but only 27 views. That kind of mismatch, it kills your motivation. It makes you start questioning your talent, your effort, your content, and even your purpose on YouTube. And that's how burnout starts. Let's talk about what people don't tell you. Sub for sub is against YouTube terms of service. It's considered spammy behavior. If YouTube detects it, your channel can be penalized, demonetized, or even banned for life. And two, it's considered spammy, and this leads to low quality connection. Those people who leave comments like subbed, vibe back, small YouTuber gather here under your comments. That hurts your credibility and it makes you look spammy by association. And three, it poses security risks to your channel. Sub for sub platform like Telegram, WhatsApp group, they are filled with fake accounts and bots. And that means you're literally exposing your channel to scams. So you're not just risking your stats, you're also risking your entire channel. So how do you actually grow without sub for sub? I know this may be coming from someone who is here to get to even 500 subscribers right now. But trust me, I have been here for the past 1 year and I can tell you that I have made a lot of mistakes and have learned my lesson. Whatever information I'm giving you here, I'm giving you as a first-hand information. So what should you do? First, make sure to focus on value. Make every video answer a question, solve a problem, or spark an emotion in your audience. Someone recently commented on my video and said, maybe your channel is boring, your content isn't engaging in my opinion. And then someone else commented otherwise. To me, that is sparking emotion. And two, make sure to engage genuinely. Reply to every comment, ask questions, Build small but strong community. 3. Be consistent. As a growing channel, this is where every small YouTuber usually struggle, being consistent. But the truth is the algorithm rewards people who shows up even when the numbers are low. And 4, collaborate, not exchange. Work with creators in your niche who are genuinely connected with your kind of content. And lastly, optimize smartly. This is something you can't do it all in one day, but as you keep creating consistently, you keep improving. Most importantly, try your best to be better at every video that you create. Make sure to use good title, catchy thumbnails, not a clickbait. This will make your content to be found by the right people. So sub for sub might look like a good shortcut, but it's actually the fastest way to ruin your channel. Because if you truly want to grow, make sure to focus on people who are already watching your video and not people who you want to see. If you focus on getting new people, the people who you already have will be lost. So if you have even just 10 subscribers, make sure to create things for those 10 subscribers because those are real human beings. Because those are more than 1,000 subscribers who are silent ghosts. So if you want me to make a video about how to promote your video the right way, please comment, make the video in the comments, and I'll go ahead to make the video. And if you found this video helpful, do well to like and subscribe so that more people will see this video. And this will also help a small channel like you and I to not fall into this thing called sub for sub that ruins your channel in the future. Say no to sub for sub. I need you to comment so that I will know that you watched this video to the end. And I'll see you again in our next video. Bye.